welcome back at Tom Yum Lechon Show. For tonight's video, we're gonna do a transgender interview here at Angeles City. Let's welcome our guest. Hi, good evening.
Hello, good evening, everyone.
Can you introduce yourself?
I am Rafa May, 19. I am from Batangas City. I'll stay here for a vacation.
So you just here at Angeles for vacation?
Yes.
How long you been here at Angeles?
1 week.
1 week?
Yes.
This is your first time that you've been here, or you've been here before?
That is my first time.
Really?
Yes.
Who take you here?
My friend.
So while you're here at Angeles City, what are you doing?
I'm here for
So you're here also for school?
yes, and vacation
So
also.
in 1 week here, that have you get any customer already?
Yes.
Where did you meet these guys?
In Walking Street.
What's your first customer in your first night?
It's good.
Where you from?
He come from USA.